We did it. We made it to the last month of the year. The last month of the year is December. And the pictures at the top probably give you a clue as to what happens in December that is special. You see Santa and you see the kids in all their Christmas gear because Christmas is the holiday that happens in December. Now, we've been really concentrating on our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And now we're really going to focus on the months of the year and learning those months of the year. And we have a song for that too, because music helps us remember things. So our song goes like this: January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in each year. All right, you want to try and sing it with me? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in each year. All right, well, let's go back to our month of December calendar, and we need to go ahead and add a date to that, and it is the first day of December, so we're adding the number 1. And remember, first is an ordinal number. We don't say December 1, we say December 1st. And we look at December 1st, move straight up the calendar, and that tells us our day of the week. It starts with a T, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get Tuesday and move it right over here. So now it says today is Tuesday. Let's jump back to find out what yesterday was. Yesterday is the day before today. It already happened. So it was Monday. Monday was yesterday. And tomorrow hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow's the day after today. So here's today. We're going to jump ahead. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. So let's grab Wednesday. Starts with that W. Starts with a w sound. And we're going to go ahead and now we're going to talk about 3D shapes. 3D shapes have height, they have width, they have depth. They are not a flat shape like the circle and the square and the rectangle and the triangle that we've been talking about. Now, we are going to first talk about what is a cube. And here's the picture of a cube. And you can see it's drawn a little bit different. A cube has a square on all of its sides. And the example that we have over here of a cube is an ice cube that has a square on all of its sides. It's not a flat shape. All right, now some different words that come with this. The face of a cube. The face is the flat sides, So the cube actually has 1, 2 in the back. There's 3 and 4, 5 because of the top, 6 because of the bottom. It has 6 faces on it. 6, that's way too small. Let's make that bigger. All right. There we go. 6. And then the vertices are where the sides meet. Now, in a 2D shape, it was the corners. But in a 3D shape, it's not 2 sides that are meeting. It's 3 sides that are meeting. 3 sides that are meeting. So up at the top, on the very top of the cube, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. But on the bottom, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So altogether, we've got 4 and 4. We've got 8 vertices altogether. And I'm going to have to make that bigger too. So we have 8 vertices. And now we're going to talk about what the edge of a shape is, or the edge of the cube is. Now the edge are the straight lines. All right. So there are 4 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 on the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. But they also have the sides here. So we've got 9, 10, 11, and there's one in the back that you can't see, 12. So there are actually 12 edges on a cube. So let's take a look at our 3D poster. There's our sphere, which is the same thing as a ball, like a basketball is a sphere. There's our cube. We've got a cylinder, which is like a can of green beans or a can of corn. We've got a prism, a pyramid, and a cone. We're going to focus right now on the cube, and I will add a discussion box for us, and you can go and find something that's the shape of a cube in your house. All right. We had 71 days of school yesterday when we are counting 71, then comes 72, right? 72. So let's go ahead and grab another cube. Got to grab another one. And let's take a look at our place value. Now we have hundreds, but we haven't had a 100 day of school yet, so it's empty. We've got tens. And in our tens box, we have 7. So we have 7 groups of base 10 blocks down here that have 10 in them. We'll count those by tens. And then in our 1 spot, we have 2. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and count them. Remember, we're counting by tens first, and then we switch and we count by ones. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. All right, lots of new things as we start our new month. Remember yesterday, we started taking apart numbers. All right, we took apart the number 4 and the number 5. So today I've got 4 cupcakes here and I've got a plate. Have you ever seen these kind of plates that are kind of divided? Well, this helps us understand this concept of being able to take them apart, because I have 4 cupcakes, but I can move 2 over here and I can move 2 over here. And that 4 cupcakes suddenly becomes 2 plus 2. So 2 and 2 make 4. Let's take a look at 5, because we also worked on 5 yesterday. Oops, I've got to add another button to get to be 5. There's 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. And we can move those into the divided plate to make a different number. So we can move, let's move all the pink ones into 1. We don't have to do that, but let's do that. And then we can move the other 2 over here. So we have 3 and 2 is a way to make 5. Lots of new concepts for the month of December. Lots of exciting things happening in the month of December. And I'll see you in just a little bit for your read aloud.